Thengio muno kuma studio A mwe kwa mwe turoka nginyagia county ingi Embu county nikuo turi muthenya wa umuthe thiini wa iharo-ini Kameme iharo-ini tukoretwo tugithie tugicemanagia na macambiki a mathako matiganite na kiumia giki by the way kuma Monday guthii uguo nginya Friday ni kiumia gia mathukuru gukorwo makihinga na hingo ya muhingo wendiwe kana hihi uria mwekaga hingo ya muhingo hindi iria mwahingaga mathukuru kuri angi maugaga ndirahinga nawe angi makauga hingo ya muhingo ne gukorwo magithaka no muthi ndi thiini wa thukuru wa St Petro guku mwena wa Embu warora wega ni ukuona imwana airetu magithie na mbere na guthaka by the way ni mathako maingi muno makiria na nimo tugukorwo tukimenya thiini wa tabarira ya muthenya wa umuthi turi gukoragwo tugigucerera haku tugagutambura uria wothe ureka thaici ndina timu ya swimming ya Nyarari ndirenda maroge let's go Curriculum njeru ya mathomo ni irehete ugaruruku na njira nene hari gukuria iheo cia mathako mathukuru-ini.
My name is Samuel Madenge. I'm in class 5 and I learn in the school of St. Petro. I started swimming when I was a little child and I liked swimming. That's why I continued and now I am the best.
I love swimming because swimming helps me to become physically fit and gives me a bond between me and my mother. When I swim, I relax my mind, and when I go to class, it helps me to become active in class.
Mugaru na hau kabere mathako mathukuru-ini makoretwo makioyo na njira ya mwanya kuona ni imwe cia indo iria cironania thukuru ni mukinyaniru kuri mwana.
My name is Lesson Philip Kiama Munene. I am in class 5. My talent is skating. I like skating because it's an exercise. It can help your bones and your legs.
My name is Sheila Wamoyu Gitonga. I'm in class 7. I love skating. It's one of my talents. And I love football. I love rugby. I love skating, like swimming, and also basketball.
Na kuona murutwo agika wega mathako-ini no guo makoragwo ningi magika wega thiini wa mathomo.
Talking on behalf of my kid, you realize that brain development, there's actually improved in terms of performance in all the subjects actually. Yeah.
Sports ni very important gwi ciana na musiari ni agirirwe ni ku encourage ciana ciake ikorwo participate na sporting activity. Undu wa mbere rĩrĩa mara participate na sporting activity ni ramavotithia makorwo develop physically na magakorwo mai mwĩrĩ yao ina vinya nundu wa mithako iyo. Secondly ni ramavotithia makorwo mai outdoor na makĩrĩrĩtaga na ciana ino ciengi kenge no koragwo na gaciana itivanene ukona kwina mwana mvinga na kwina mwana umwe outgoing muno no rĩrĩa mathie mithako ri wanocio mvinga ni avotaka kuonekania aina gikeno na kireretaga nacio engi ita mundu umwe kwa umwe na akavota kugea na confidence ya kuvesi maisha na andu aya engi mai at the same level. Aciari ni monaga makirumiriria muno ciana ikorwe ciena kithomo undu uyu ti mwega nundu no kore mwana ina talent ya muthako na trend iria twina cio thiko ino ni gukorwo ati wana mithako ni career. Nurona ndisi ya kurasa mithako nuregua muthaki araribwa milioni magana kiumia kimwe na mundu tocio agite ni chadi kuma ai munini nivo manyitagwa talent cio votaga kuoneka.
Aciari gukiri uguo makamenya bata wa mwana gukorwo agikũrana kiheo giake kia mathako na kunina unduire wa mwana gukindĩrĩrio mabuku o muthenya.
I feel that as parents, before you take your child somewhere, do a visibility study and get to know what happens in that school. And when you get a school that has all-round activities, that is the best place. Because especially the CBC that we have now, it's all definitely gearing to not only education, but also the other activities that can make a child follow the talent that they have, and then they do well in life.
Nitukenagio muno ni ciana tondu aria mekaga wega muno mathako-ini tukoraga aingi ao makorwo mariaga muno mwena-ini wa mathomo na tukona the balancing ikoragwo iri njega muno according to our syllabus, according to our curriculum. Uhoro ucio ugakorwo wi mwega muno na nitukenagirira muno.
Maundu ma mithako ni maundu mega muno tondu ni kaundu katumaga ciana ikorwe engaged ona ikorwe alert ati ona mwana athikirathi tondu ni mukenu na ni mutengeru na irio iria arete ni njiganiru mwiri ugakora mwana na arathikiriria mwarimu na naregua wega. Tariu ta guku St Petrock twi swimming pool nene muno. The cognitive part no nginya umuige active na nigu tuonete there is a lot of need tukoretwe na mithako cukuru ta ino ya St Petrock Premier School.
Githomo nĩ gĩkũhe mwana waku wĩra mwega, no mathako marĩ na ũhoti wa kũmũhe mbeca nyingĩ. Tũgĩcera matũũra-inĩ kuma thukuru-inĩ wa St Petrock gũkũ kaunti-inĩ ya Embu, njĩtagwo Kuria wa Gĩcimo.